Please welcome Momina Munir.
Hi guys! I would record those vlogs. Never used to monetize my videos because I was a little
What?
child. Yeah, I
नहीं
didn't know
यार.
there was an option for monetization.
अबे यार.
Instagram से I met amazing people. So one of them was Dana Neer.
Dana Neer.
Yeah, she
Wow.
recommended me to Ali Hassan, the
Wow.
director. I'm a little dyslexic as well, so I
हाँ,
can't
यार
connect
मुझे
with people.
डायलॉग याद करने पड़ेंगे.
ये कैसे होगा? तो ना वो इतना स्ट्रेस था, मैंने कहा मुझसे तो नहीं होता.
कुछ लोग तो अपनी आवाज भी बैठा लेते हैं. जब मुझसे मिलते थे लाइक अरे कैसे है? जब वो किसी और से मिलते ना ऐसे एक्टिंग मोड.
और वो
अस्सलाम वालेकुम कैसे हो? You know like don't do that bro. You started two businesses.
ये मैं रोज सोचती थी एंड एक दिन ये थॉट ना मेरे ADHD में निकल गया.
क्योंकि सर जरूरी है.
Hi everybody and welcome to a brand new edition of Dost Kya Scene with me Dino live right here on FM 91 and today we have a guest who I'm very excited to have on the show. I've been talking to her about this for a while and we usually meet at events. We don't really get a chance to actually sit down and talk. This is the first time I'm actually going to have a chat with her. Because हमारा हमेशा जो interaction रहा है वो बड़ा हमेशा अच्छा रहा है and it's been full of love and respect. So I was excited to have her on the show so that I get to know her just like you will get to know her and we will be able to chat and connect and find out what's happening in her life. She's a content creator. She is an actress. She is very loved, very well respected in the scene. I'm really excited to have her on the show. Please welcome Momina Munir.
Hi guys!
Hey, कैसी है Momina?
I'm good.
You are finally doing this, dude.
I know it's been a while.
I know it's been a while. हमारी वाकई कभी इस तरह chat नहीं हुई इस तरह से.
नहीं, I don't think so. We've ever sat.
We've
and
never
talked.
sat and talked.
No.
But we've always had a good interaction.
Always.
Yeah, but we've
हमेशा.
never actually sat down and talked. And I've always been so interested in having you on the show because, you know, when I started watching content creators on YouTube, early days, you were one of the first faces I saw. You were so cool when you started. And you're still very
Was
cool.
I?
No, you were. Because you were so different, right? You were like this young kid in school who was just like telling us about her life, which I thought was very cool, yeah.
Yeah, no, I started YouTube when I was 15.
15.
I'm 24.
Wow.
Turning 25 this year. So almost
10 years, yeah. 10 years in the game.
So very young when I got caught into the YouTube.
The YouTube world.
उस टाइम पे ना like I think YouTube was banned.
Yeah, YouTube was banned at that time.
तो I would always मेरे cousins ने मुझे बता दी थी कि वो proxy से ना आप YouTube खोल सकते हो. So I would always just go on my computer and type in the proxy and do the whole YouTube.
How did this happen? I mean, like, because, you know, I know कि बच्चे शुगल मस्ती में करते हैं, and that's okay, like everybody does it. But were you one of those kids that said, oh, I'm going to be a YouTuber and I'm going to be a star?
I have a story for this.
Okay.
So I always used to write my daily diary कि आज क्या हुआ.
Okay, so you were one of those kids, write a
Yeah.
diary, ठीक है.
So I would, because my family has a history with dementia, तो मुझे हमेशा ना डर रहता था ये इतना सैड नहीं होना guys.
Okay.
तो I always had this fear कि यार what if I grow up and forget everything that I did in my
okay.
childhood or like in my teenage years
Okay.
or in my 20s.
So you want to document that.
Yeah, so I would document that in my diary
सही है.
always.
सही है.
But then I started watching YouTube where there were vlogs. I used to watch Zoe Suck ke vlogs and Zoella, Alfie Days and all these British YouTubers where they would vlog. So I would be like, okay, I have a phone with me. I could just record it here. But then उसी time पे I started watching Irfan Junejo.
Yeah. Shout out to Irfan Junejo.
Shout out to Irfan bhai. He would do these vlogs, really amazing vlogs.
very
really
natural, very-
natural, everyday life. Also in Urdu.
Also in Urdu, हाँ.
तो मैंने कहा उर्दू में व्लॉग्स ये क्या चीज़ है ये तो मैं भी करूँगी because I when I started it wasn't with vlogs. I started with makeup.
Okay.
Makeup tutorials and
सही है.
all of the videos would be in English.
सही है.
कि मुझे तो लगा था कि इंग्लिश ही मार्केट होती है
हाँ,
ना.
उर्दू में कौन करता है?
कौन मतलब YouTube हम देखते हैं लेकिन इंग्लिश में ही बनाना होगा. YouTube थोड़ी बाहर की
सही है,
कंपनी है.
सही
तो
है.
I would make all my content in English. When I watched Irfan bhai, I was like, I can randomly record everything in my life and put it out there ताकि मैं और मेरे दोस्त जब हम बड़े हो जाएं तो हम अपने बच्चों को दिखा सकें, फैमिली को दिखा सकें. So I would record those vlogs. I think I started YouTube in 2016 with makeup. Then in 2017 and 18, I switched to vlogging.
Okay.
और वही टाइम था जब इरफान भाई was uploading vlogs and he was starting to get recognized the way he did. तो तब जाके मैंने स्कूल में छुप के अपना फ़ोन लेके जाती थी and I would record everything because it was my last year in my school.
Okay.
I would go to college the next year. So I
it was your last year of school.
Yeah.
I remember that, dude.
So I
Exams भी हो रहे थे और पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा था.
So I had
yeah.
my whole vibe was कि CIs अपने रिकॉर्ड करती हूँ, मेरी जितनी भी थिंकिंग है कि क्या किया मैंने एग्जाम में, ये कैसे सवाल आया, and I eventually built a whole
It's all
community
coming
of
back to me,
students.
dude. Yeah.
Yeah, तो वो जो वीडियोस थी वो मेरी दोस्तों के लिए थी, मेरे लिए थी, वो eventually एक पूरी कम्युनिटी बन गई ओवर CIs. कि मैं रैंट करी हूँ कि उर्दू के पेपर में ये क्यों आया है, मतलब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया, और then there are comments that I didn't understand it either कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ है. So the whole community was built over just the fact that everyone related to the CI.
Yeah, like school
content.
kids are actually watching your
Yeah.
stuff and be like, yes, I've been through this.
Yeah, but eventually the video that went viral that actually got me the subscribers was School Life in Pakistan.
School life in Pakistan. Okay, yeah, I remember that one.
And
yeah.
उधर जो viewership थी ना वो सारी इंडिया की थी. Because और सारे comments ये थे कि हैं पाकिस्तान में schools हैं. Because
Thanks, यार. Thanks, guys. हाँ.
I think at that time इंडिया में ये concept था कि हम सिर्फ गाँव हैं, गाँव वाले लोग हैं.
I'm educated. I remember I met with this guy once, and he actually was quite surprised. He came to, I think he was an educationist from India, and I was hosting a show, and he came to this school, and वो सिर्फ setup देख के बोल रहा था, यार आप लोगों के पास तो बड़े पैसे हैं. मैंने कहा अरे.
So most of the comments were like this, और मैं थोड़ा shocked हुई कि अच्छा इंडिया में भी लोग देखते हैं. मेरा तो ये था कि and the funniest story is I was with my brother when I was uploading the video, and मेरे घर का इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा था.
Okay.
उस टाइम पे PTCL थोड़ा स्लो ही चलता था. तो I would always be like कि नेट ही नहीं चल रहा, मैं डालूं इस वीडियो को नहीं डालूं. तो स्पेसिफिक मोमेंट पे माय ब्रदर वाज लाइक डालो ना, इतनी अच्छी वीडियो डालो. ही फोर्स्ड मी टू पुट इट ऑन, वरना वो मैं नहीं डालती तो वो कभी अपलोड ही नहीं होती और कभी फिर ये चीज चलती ही नहीं.
Wow.
So shout out to my brother Beer for forcing me to put it on.
And what were the parents' reaction to watching their
Yeah.
young teenage daughter becoming the voice of the schooling system?
It was I just told my mom कि अम्मा देखे मुझे YouTube करना है, like मैं ना ये चीज़ें डालती हूँ. तो she was always really supportive of it with the idea कि हाँ बड़े होके देख लेना. When actually subscribers started coming in, always amazing support given by family, everyone, like my puppos, my chachu, my chachi, everyone, the cousins.
Chill.
My cousins used to come in my videos, like सब एक पूरे ना vibe बन गई
That's
थी.
so cute,
So
यार.
eventually like I hit 100k subscribers
Yes,
and then
yes.
200k subscribers.
Yeah,
और मैं कह रही थी भाई ये तो crazy हो गया. And then eventually I stopped making content on YouTube when I graduated from college.
Was there a specific reason to stop doing that?
Yeah, because the community was so strongly based on studying and क्या कहते हैं, just a community over relatableness over studying.
Yeah.
तो वो जब चीज़ मेरे पास, मैं यूनिवर्सिटी आई तो मैंने कहा कि अब मैं क्या ही बनाऊँ. Like because I did an online degree जो UL की external programs होते हैं University of London के.
Right.
So I wasn't going to university. I was doing it at home.
At home, yeah.
तो घर में इतना content.
So you felt
होता ही
like
नहीं
that,
था.
yeah. You felt like you had nothing to talk about.
Really,
because you were not living that life they imagined, right?
Again, I grew out of it in a way.
Right, of course.
And then पाकिस्तान में vlogging का scene थोड़ा family vlogging की तरफ आ गया था. The interest rose in family vlogging.
Right, and that's something you didn't want.
So I never felt comfortable.
Right.
And neither did my family. They were like, नहीं तुम करो, हमें ना डालो.
हमें ना डालो. Family के बाद family vlogging.
So I was like, oh, what can I really do?
Right.
Or what can I give to my audience now?
Right.
So eventually then I started my book content.
Right, okay.
Because I always used to read books.
Right.
I actually really fell into love with books was 2020 में.
Really?
जब COVID आया है. Really later on.
Because you had
in my
nothing to
life.
do, so you read books.
Yeah.
I love that, dude. I love that. Wow.
So, and because मेरा screen time बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था. समझे 14 hours a day.
Wow.
It was just screen.
What was the first book you read during COVID? Like, do you remember the book that you picked
The
up?
Silent Patient.
The Silent Patient.
By Alex Michaelides.
Okay.
It's an amazing book. To this day, my favorite book of all time.
Yeah.
It's a crazy thriller. अगर किसी को पढ़नी है, it's
The Silent Patient.
It's an amazing mystery
I love
thriller. And like मैं describe नहीं कर सकती. Basically, the wife kills the husband and goes silent.
Okay, thanks. अब इससे आगे नहीं बताया. Spoiler alert. Spoiler
This
alert.
is not a spoiler. This is how the book
Book starts. Okay, yeah.
तो when she goes silent, it's like, oh, who did it?
Oh wow,
really?
there's a who done it kind of
Yeah.
situation. Okay, chala, cool.
That's a really
so that's
good
how you
book.
started getting into books.
Yeah, and I finished that book in 11 hours.
And then
one sitting.
that good, huh? That's when you know a book is good.
Yeah.
When you're
And
just
that's-
like on it.
अभी तक कोई ऐसी बुक नहीं आई है जिसको मैंने 11 घंटे में एक ही सिटिंग में खत्म किया.
Wow.
That was the
Well,
book.
we're waiting for the next book, yeah. Okay, so now YouTube, say you shift into, this other bit of content, then you go into Instagram, you start doing that sort of situation. Now, content creation, ab ek flow mein jab aapki aa jati, then you're thinking to yourself, okay, I don't know. I've obviously asked a lot of content creators about this, and I've felt like this as well. Okay, at some point you start asking yourself, okay, I've done this, I'm good at this. What's next? You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Where do I go from here? Do I make new set of content, or do I go into a completely different situation?
The transition.
The transition. So like content se transition into acting. Now that is obviously a natural progression. A lot of
Yeah.
content creators go into acting. Why did you want to try this out?
I'll actually go back a little bit in the question. So when YouTube was popping up, there were campaigns.
Right.
Brands wanted to work, and that was super new to me. कि ये क्या है? पैसे
पैसे भी
मिलेंगे?
मिलेंगे इसके?
And like the funniest thing, no one really knows this. I never used to monetize my videos because I was small little
What?
child. Yeah, I
नहीं
didn't know
यार.
there was an option for monetization.
अबे यार.
So I met Muzammil Hassan.
Shout out
He was
Muzammil Hassan.
like,
Yeah.
he was like, oh, let me manage you. Like, तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं पता, which was so true. Like, I didn't know anything.
He's a nice guy, वैसे.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So he was like, oh, I'll do it just for fun for you. So he was a great support at that
yeah.
time. I wasn't even 18 yet.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने बड़ी मेरी मदद की उस टाइम पे फिर
तो
eventually-
मास्टर है YouTube में.
insane human
Master.
being, love him. So उसके बाद he started managing me, and then the campaign started coming in, and then I found out, oh, I can push my Instagram as well. I can market myself on Instagram, and then the whole brand thing came around ke, oh, brands wanted to work because I am also a brand.
Yeah.
So eventually after that the Instagram thing popped up, and Instagram में जब अब आ गए हैं तो वहाँ से reels भी आ गई. People get to know you more. There's a whole another audience waiting for you. उधर से I would always show my real personality. Vlogging में भी था, but on Instagram it's just short content, very fast.
Right. So it's very specific.
Yeah, and
very-
also stories.
Yeah.
Daily life, क्या चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. And Instagram से I've met amazing people in the industry. So one of them was Dana Neer, and
Yeah.
I get this random Instagram text from Dana Neer ke, oh, I'm on a set, can you please show up here? Send me your number. I sent her my number, and eventually she sent the number to MD Productions, and she was doing very filmy at the time.
Dana Neer.
Yeah, she
Wow.
recommended me to Ali Hassan, the
Wow.
director.
That's very cool.
So
of
lovely
her,
of
yeah.
her, वैसे.
Wow.
So she recommended my name to Ali Hassan, who was directing very filmy, and they called me on set. I went there, and they took my screen test. By the way,
Set पे?
हाँ, set पे. The screen test is in the drama. It wasn't even a test. It's
a scene in the
was a
drama.
scene.
Okay.
तो मेरा स्क्रीन टेस्ट हुआ, एंड उसी वक्त अली भाई वाज लाइक इजी है, कर लेते हैं, ये अच्छे लग रहे हो तुम दोनों साथ इज बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. तो आई वाज प्लेइंग दानी's best friend in
Dude,
Very
what a
Filmy.
story, man.
So that's how I got into acting.
Wow, what a story.
And
And
then
that's very big of Dana Neer, because
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of actresses wouldn't recommend another actress like that. Like,
Yeah.
hey, what's
A
up?
whole like new.
Did you know Dana Neer from before?
We've only talked on like Instagram, or I've liked her story, or she's liked my story.
Oh, बस ये interaction
बस.
है. Ah, wow, okay.
So like just mutual connection in a way of just mutual
So you
admiration.
did you have any idea that you wanted to act before this
No.
happened? You had
So,
no plans.
I did one like free fire की campaign where I had to act, and उधर ही मैंने बोल दिया था मुझसे तो एक्टिंग बिल्कुल नहीं होगी, because like लाइनें याद करनी है. आई एम अ लिटिल डिस्लेक्सिक एज वेल, तो
हाँ, यार मुझे डायलॉग याद करने पड़ेंगे.
ये कैसे होगा. तो ना वो इतना स्ट्रेस था, मैंने कहा मुझसे तो नहीं होता. बट व्हेन आई वेंट टू दैट सेट, it was a lovely set.
Right.
It was amazing. Ali Hassan was so keen on working with me, because of course I was a new actor.
So he was
like-
very supportive of.
yeah, he made sure for me that I look good.
Okay.
I deliver well. sound well, I act well, and to this day I give all the credit to my acting to Ali Bhai.
बिल्कुल सही है.
So
बिल्कुल सही है.
eventually then I got casted for a big project that I can't talk about.
Right.
You know about it.
Yeah, we can't
I can't
talk
really
about
tell you
It's
guys.
huge.
Yeah.
It's massive. It's so big. It's taking ages. Please don't take it too long. Bring it out. We want to see it.
And right after Very Filmy that happened, उसके बाद फिर I worked on some telefilms for ARY and Hum.
Yeah.
उसके बाद Jama Takseem happened. Ali Bhai's one more project where Mavra and Talha was doing not Very Filmy, Jama Takseem. So Jama Takseem mein Ali Bhai reached out to me and he was like, you have to be a nosy neighbor. जो हर चीज अपनी अम्मा से पूछ के करती है और हर किसी के घर में झांकती है कि अच्छा तुम्हारा मियाँ तो 8 बजे जाता था आज 11 बजे क्यों गया वो वाली टाइप्स की कैरेक्टर एंड बिकॉज इट वाज अली भाई आई कुडंट से नो तो eventually that came around and Jama Takseem was a hit.
Yeah, it was massive.
Everyone loved it. I loved it. My mom was like कि तुम होती भी नहीं तो मेरा favorite होता ही है. तो everyone was watching it and eventually that started gaining traction and people started recognizing me as Noreen. So my name was Noreen. तो अब जो भी आंटियां जा रही होती हैं ना मुझे ऐसे देखती हूँ लैला की नेबर है इससे अजीब बातें करती है तो
that means you did your job, dude.
Yeah, people hated me. They hated me. मतलब मैं I remember being on an airport and a kid walking up and being like एक बच्चा है वो मुझे ऐसे देख रहा है आप लैला की नेबर है ना आप ऐसी बातें क्यों करती हैं उनसे और मैं कह रही हूँ मैं हूँ लेकिन मैं नहीं
मैं वो नहीं हूँ
मैं बहुत स्वीट हूँ
यकीन कर मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ try to explain to the kid.
So that went massive.
Wow.
And eventually now I'm also working on a project that is releasing soon.
Soon.
But I can't really talk about
That's
it again.
fine. That's fine. But like, so you started liking acting. You started getting into it.
Yeah.
After that, after these experiences.
So with acting, the thing is, the character really matters.
Right.
I know I can't do certain characters because I just don't have
that in you. Yeah.
Yeah. For example, अगर मुझे रोने पिटने वाली करनी है मुझे पता है मुझसे नहीं होगा. शायद हो भी जाए.
I mean, like, but that's like the challenge, isn't it?
Yeah,
like,
that's the challenge. But I wanna first learn and then perform, rather than just go in it and perform. Right. And not do well.
Right.
तो एक mentally भी ready होना पड़ता है. तो I know in some characters I can do really well because it's a I don't want to hit a plateau of characters as well. मुझे सीखना ज़रूर है.
मुझे एक बात बताएं. Like I know, you know, when you're a content creator, a host, a singer, all of these various different things. अब acting itself is a completely different industry. उसका एक scene ही अलग है, vibe ही अलग है. वो acting एक अलग चीज़ है.
Yeah.
Just like everything else. When you transition from a content creator to an actress, कंटेंट क्रिएटर में आप जब होते हैं कंटेंट क्रिएशन में तो आपको सिस्टम समझ आ जाता है आपको पता होता है कौन क्या है उसको कैसे डील करना है किस तरह करना है क्या करना है एंड इट्स अ वेरी फास्ट इंटरेक्शन विद एक्टिंग देयर सो मेनी थिंग्स यू हैव टू लुक एट द वे यू ड्रेस द वे यू कैरी योरसेल्फ हु यू मीटिंग कुछ लोग तो अपनी आवाज़ भी बैठा लेते हैं हालांकि ऐसे नहीं होते हैं मैं ऐसे एक्टर्स को जानता हूँ मैं गाइस स्टॉप डूइंग दैट ओके आई नो देयर फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन आई स्वेयर जब मुझसे मिलते थे लाइक अरे कैसे एंड जब वो किसी और से मिलते ना ऐसे एक्टिंग मोड जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम कैसे आप यू नो लाइक डोंट डू दैट ब्रो सो यू नो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ दैट लाइक कि थोड़ा सा ना एक एलिमेंट आ जाता है ग्लैमर का व्हेन यू गॉट इनटू एक्टिंग वाज दैट हार्ड फॉर यू टू गो फ्रॉम मोमना मुनीर हु इज दिस relatable fun you know, very herself on social media, and now you're into acting. Now you're Momina Munir, the actress. So now you have to act a certain way, look a certain way. You have to, you know, like carry yourself a certain way.
I think,
or you don't, or it doesn't affect you.
I think it never affected me in that sense because the only thing that changed was that people used to come up to me knowing me as Momina. Now people come up to me as knowing me as Noreen. That's the one thing that's changed. Vanna, there's the same love. वो looks अलग होती है नौरीन वाली लेकिन the admiration is still there and for me personally I don't really care.
You don't really care?
Yeah, like it's just me.
It's just you, yeah.
तो नहीं मैं किसी के सामने अपनी आवाज़ नहीं बिठाती मैं वैसी होती हूँ.
But एक question है मेरा, like do you ever get pressured to be like that? Because a lot of people do get pressured to be like that. कि यार don't meet a certain person, don't hang out with a certain person, act a certain way, ज़्यादा ये ना हो ज़्यादा.
No, I think as a person जो मैं हूँ, I always know my boundaries
Right.
before and after.
Right.
कि अच्छा मुझे इनसे अगर मिलना है तो मुझे कितना मिलना है और कितना बैठना है, इनके
Okay,
साथ
so
मुझे नहीं
you
पता है.
decide.
Yeah.
You don't let anybody else decide
Yeah.
for you.
Why
See?
would I?
Right.
Or why would I let anyone else decide that for me?
Right. Right.
तो
So
वो
you're keeping that control.
Yeah, of course.
That's good.
तो बल्कि अगर कहीं से एडवाइस आई है, like someone really close has advised me कि
That's fine. You can look
इनके
into that.
साथ नहीं
Yeah, yeah.
बैठना because they've done this,
XYZ,
this.
yeah.
So of course I get that.
Right.
तो मैं obviously नहीं बैठूंगी, but overall the industry is also so little
Yeah.
कि इतना कोई वो भी नहीं है. People know about everyone
Yeah.
and
True.
everything.
Yeah. It's not like even if you don't know the person, you know the person.
Yeah.
Kind of. You know.
Like मतलब कहीं ना कहीं acquaintances जरूर होंगे.
Yeah, true.
या कहीं ना कहीं mutual जरूर होंगे. तो it's not that कि मुझे अपने आप को change करना पड़ा after getting into the industry specifically for acting. I'm just the same person. लेकिन हाँ कभी कभी ना वो वाली चीज़ आ जाती है अपने अंदर के okay, let's talk about it. So within the industry, no, I'm not gonna
No, talk about it. Yeah.
He's giving me the look.
No, I'm not
guys.
giving you the look.
He's
Okay,
like-
बात करो मोमना. बात करो.
He's like, are you sure you're talking about it?
नहीं. Okay, no. बात कर लो. Let's keep a PG version. चलो.
Yeah, let's. Acha, so
It wasn't awkward before, by the way. She made this awkward. हम लोग बड़ा normal अच्छे flow
I
में चल
love
रहे
making everything awkward.
like एक flow में चल रहे थे. अगली ने कहा एक रोको.
नहीं, so when you are in the industry, it's really famous कि oh everyone's super. They have these egos. They're really like filled with attitude. ऐसा होता नहीं है. ऐसा हो जाता है.
ऐसा हो जाता है.
वो इसलिए हो जाते हैं because sometimes you're not treated the way you should be treated.
Right, of course.
Especially when you're new, especially when you're someone who's debuting or someone who doesn't know about the industry much. So, not just saying it for me, I know people with the same experiences that when they enter an industry, especially with acting, वहाँ पे उनको इतना lightly लिया जाता है कि अगर for example उनका short role होना है 4 बजे तो उनको 10 बजे से ही set पे बुला लिया. Just to be there.
Just to be there, yeah.
Which is, again, I don't think कहीं से भी वो सही है. I understand they're paying the person who's acting,
But
the waiting would just drain the energy. Or
I
again,
agree.
acting is an art.
I agree.
है ना?
dude.
Like
Yeah.
acting is an art. You need the energy for the shot. It's your face, it's your expression. You need the energy for
Yeah,
that.
but if you're sitting on set for like 11 hours, you're just like, oh god.
Oh, मैं क्या करूँ? So I can share even a personal experience because I have nothing to hide, honestly. मुझे बुलाया गया सेट पे 10 बजे. मैं बता नहीं रही कौन सा सेट. मुझे बुलाया गया 10 बजे and then 5 बजे वो शॉर्ट रोल हुआ है बस मेरे हाथ का. They just wanted a hand.
Excuse me? क्या?
Yeah.
नहीं, सिर्फ हाथ दिखाना है.
सिर्फ हाथ देख मैं
No dialogues.
No dialogues.
Are you kidding me right now? That's
imagine-
ridiculous.
So
Are you
again,
serious?
Yeah, बस एक डब्बा पकड़ के रख रही हूँ या कुछ ऐसा सीन था. तो I was like, oh, why would you? And then छुट्टी हो गई.
No, dude.
तो-
That's mad, dude.
Yeah, तो
That's
उधर
crazy.
उधर से ना फिर you're also a human.
Yeah, फिर तो आपकी हड़ी आएगी ना.
हटती भी नहीं. You just feel like कि oh मैं कितना और ज़्यादा जगह productive हो सकती थी considering the fact that I also have 2 business to run. I also
you have a business also.
तो मेरा ये होता है कि
Oh, okay, यार, guys, like,
I can put my energy somewhere else or put my brain somewhere else when you just need my hand.
this is why I never got into acting. That's crazy, bro.
तो ये mostly नहीं होता
नहीं,
लेकिन
but that's
होता
nuts.
है.
But that's nuts.
Yeah, और लेकिन होना नहीं चाहिए.
होना
It should
नहीं
be
चाहिए.
well managed.
मतलब कि
बस हाथ का शॉट नहीं था. मैं 10 बजे से बैठी हुई थी.
Thank you, what a great show. यार. अरे ना खुशाल.
But then उसके
Shot
बाद
done.
ऐसा नहीं है कि they're not apologetic. They are. But I'm like, oh, आप sorry ना
That
बोले.
apology doesn't mean anything, dude. Oh wow, dude, that's
Yeah.
mad, dude.
It's funny.
That is funny.
Though I could put
but that's so funny. Where you would be angry, but you'd be laughing because it's so funny.
Exactly.
You'd be like, "Bus."
बस ये था और मुझे पता था बस ये है the worst
अरे,
part. But I was too
यार.
scared to say it because I was
wow,
also new.
dude. That's nuts, dude. That is nuts. Wow. But that's like, but that's the kind of thing you have to face in this industry, I suppose.
Yeah.
You know, you gotta deal with this sort of thing. Now let's talk about, something about your personal life. Let's talk about your love for literature.
Oh God.
This is a conversation we've been wanting to have. Like I love the fact that not only do you love books, you promote the idea of reading.
Yeah.
There's so many people that just don't understand the value of books or don't read. Unfortunately, literature हो गया, चाहे वो उर्दू literature हो, English literature, कोई भी हो, it seems like a dying art. It seems like I wouldn't say dying, but it seems like an art that's not as popular as it used to be. What made you want to promote it this much? Because you started reading, like you said, in 2020, which is not a long time ago. 2020 में जब reading शुरू की, what led you to be like, oh, I want to start using my platform for this?
So I would always put up stories, oh, I'm reading this. And then there was this whole community of people जो मुझे messages करते थे, oh, I've read this and this, ये चीज़ें कितनी अच्छी हैं इसमें, और ये मतलब I was like, oh, I have people to talk about books, because कहीं ना कहीं I was the only one in my friend group that was reading books.
So you thought you're the only one?
So I was like, oh, I can talk about books now. And eventually the love जो इतना ज़्यादा भरा हुआ था ना किताबों के लिए, वो यूं फट के निकला है कि मैं बातें कर सकती हूँ किताबों के बारे में. And one of my favorite things to do is yap.
Yeah.
I just want to yap all day long. And when it's about books, I'm a certified yapper.
Yeah.
तो when people used to be like कि जब मुझे मिलते थे, mostly it started when people started coming up to me and they were like, oh, we watched your vlog and उसमें आप एक किताब पढ़ी थी और मैंने ये किताब पढ़ी, आप क्यों नहीं एक पूरा नया चैनल ही बना दें किताबों का. और मैंने कहा ये तो बड़ा फिट आइडिया है. And I can also transition slowly into, cutting out from the vlog situation and then
into something I love.
Something I really like to do.
Yeah.
And I'm someone who would only promote something that I love. कुछ भी हो जाए, मेरा इंटरेस्ट ही डेवलप नहीं होगा उस चीज़ को एडिट करने में या बनाने में अगर मुझे वो पसंद ही नहीं आ रहा. So when it was about books, I was like, oh, like all I'm doing is reading. Throughout the day, literally all I do is read. Why not I make it, I record it and upload it. तो वो productively लोगों के साथ शेयर भी हो जाएगा, एक कॉन्वर्जेशन भी बन जाएगी, एक कम्युनिटी भी बन जाएगी, एंड साथ साथ मुझे जो यैपिंग करनी है वो भी हो जाएगा, सारे दिमाग में नहीं रहेगा. तो इट वाज अ विन विन सिचुएशन. तो इवेंचुअली आई स्टार्टेड दैट चैनल, और उसमें मैंने उर्दू किताबें भी पढ़ी हैं, मैंने इंग्लिश किताबें भी पढ़ी हैं, मैंने भर दी हैं. तो द लव फॉर लिटरेचर ऑनेस्टली इट केम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम वॉचिंग बुक ट्यूबर्स.
Okay.
So I used to watch Jack Edwards, Haley Pham. These are YouTubers who just promote books. Their love for books, the whole कि मैंने एक महीने में कितनी किताबें पढ़ी, इस week मैंने क्या पढ़ा, and their job is to just read.
Amazing.
So I was like, that's such a fun job. I want to be them.
Yeah.
So
such a fun job.
when I started the channel, I would put out videos के oh इस हफ्ते में मैंने क्या पढ़ा. Then I did another video where I showed my whole book collection, and उसमें कोई पता नहीं, मेरी collection भी बहुत बड़ी है
कितनी बड़ी है? How big are we talking?
यार उस टाइम पे तो छोटी सी थी, अब तो like समझ लें कोई like 350 किताबें होंगी.
नहीं यार.
Yeah.
You got nearly 400 books.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
To the point कि वो बंद like डब्बों में बंद करके भी रखी क्योंकि जगह नहीं है. I don't have enough bookshelves.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
it's insane. I've spent most of my money on books.
Amazing.
Everyone that know me hates that कि तुम अपने पैसे किताबों पे क्यों
that's
उड़ाती हो,
why-
because they don't have the same
Passion
for books.
Right.
And I personally think collecting books and reading books are two different things.
Yeah.
The passion is there, but दोनों का passion बहुत अलग है. आजकल फिलहाल I'm in the zone कि मैं बस खरीदूं और उसको रख दूं. अभी टाइम नहीं मिल रहा पढ़ने का. तो रीडिंग इज अ डिफरेंट पैशन. इट्स इन अ डिफरेंट टाइम, and collecting books is all the time and a different level of passion.
Why do you think people don't read books anymore?
Their attention span, the retention that they just can't retain the information, I think.
Really?
I'll give you a logic.
Okay, बताएं.
So the logic is we have Instagram Reels, we have TikTok, we have YouTube Shorts, we have content that's 2x पे you can watch. On YouTube Premium you can watch it on 4x. On WhatsApp when you send a voice note you can hear it in 2x as well. So when someone opens a book and is reading it, they're like, बस इसको जल्दी कैसे करूँ. I had that problem जब मैं Instagram ज़्यादा यूज़ करने लगी थी. And most of the people that I talk to and आई डिबेट अबाउट कि तुम किताबें क्यों नहीं पढ़ती, वो यही बोलते हैं कि यार ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट हैव द टाइम लाइक टू फोकस, विच इज सो सैड.
It's very sad.
And it's so true कि people have just lost the retention time or the attention that they can give. वो attention span ही नहीं है अब बच्चों का especially.
Oof.
I think that's what really
No, but
is
like,
the problem.
I mean, so what do we do? Because books is such a beautiful, it's such a beautiful medium, you know? I mean, books, I mean, and you can learn so much, not just in any factor of your life, not just like कि आपने entertainment के लिए करना है, you can actually develop as a human being reading books.
That's what we were talking about. कि I read books for empathy, gaining empathy in me.
Yeah.
When I read about a character who's going through a hard time, I feel for them,
Yeah.
even though they're not even real. तो जब मैं society में जाके देखती हूँ, the empathy, I personally feel like empathy जैसी feeling एक इंसान में सबसे major feeling होनी चाहिए.
Yeah, agreed.
Empathy creates the guilt.
Yeah, humanity.
It's humanity. So for me, it's not even about the knowledge of a book. Knowledge आपको, you know, किसी भी किताब से मिल सकती है, of course. But when you're reading stories, that's the difference between fiction and non-fiction for me. Non-fiction is more like, okay, I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. and, you know, मुझे वो सिखाएगा कि बिजनेस कैसे करना है, या मुझे वो सिखाएगा सेल्फ हेल्प. That's non-fiction for me. But again, that can be learned also through empathy, through non-fiction.
Yeah, true.
So non-fiction, nahi, fiction.
Fiction.
So with fiction, I mostly read fiction
Okay.
books.
Okay.
And I create all these characters up in my head.
Favorite book of all time? The book that changed your life? Is there a book that, so far, a book that where you're like,
Yeah.
this book?
The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini.
Nahi yaar. Wow, what a good pick, yaar.
है ना?
That's such a solid pick.
Oh,
what a book.
God.
What a book. What a film. What a everything. What a
The
book.
way I
The ending, bro.
cried. Like, she crowed. Like, she crowed. इतना क्रेजी मुझे रोना है उसमें.
ओफ यार क्या किताब है यार.
आप कहीं और पहुंच गए.
हाँ मैं अभी मतलब हम लोग अलग जोन में जा चुके हैं यार. If you're one of those unlucky people who have not read The Kite Runner, you need to read The Kite
Even
Runner.
The Thousand Splendid Suns.
हाँ मैंने नहीं
मरियम की
पढ़ी. I haven't
कहानी.
read The Thousand Splendid Suns, but I
Oh
want to read.
God.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a point in that book जहाँ पे वो एक letter आता है.
बस.
And that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
मेरा waterworks जो कहते हैं ना कि मतलब waterfall हो रही है.
नहीं यार.
तीन आंसू एक साथ निकल
Like
रहे
a
हैं.
motivated.
And imagine feeling this much for a character.
Oof.
You can't.
You can't. Yeah.
But when you are into the book na, you just do.
Yeah, because you're on a journey with them.
So Kite Runner really changed a lot of thinking in me, a lot of जबकि fictional किताब है वो, like there's not much knowledge in it, but just the culture,
The backdrop.
the backdrop, also the friendship for you 1,000 times over.
Oof.
Like just the meaning of that fact कि कोई इतना दूर अपनी दोस्ती में जा सकता है,
इतना प्यार कर सकते
इतना
हैं.
प्यार कर सकते हैं, selflessly प्यार कर सकते हैं. The selflessness, is that the correct
Yeah,
word?
selflessness.
The
Yeah, selfless. Yeah.
Selfless.
सही है. हाँ कोई बात नहीं. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Yeah, that. So the
हाँ आगे बढ़ो ना. Selflessness. Okay.
Selflessness.
हाँ selflessness.
That he had
सही है.
is really just, मैं क्या ही explain करूँ, मैं मर जाऊँ.
नहीं honestly मैं आपको बताऊँ, books can really change a person's perception of life.
Yeah.
You know, because that author is not trying to, you know, just take you on a journey. They're actually trying to show you कि यार आपका mindset आप बदल सकते हैं. You don't have to be that person that you think you are. You know, that's the power of books.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people, unfortunately, young people especially, are missing out on that. I think that's the reason I feel like there are a lot of young people are unable to get truly inspired is because they aren't reading enough. I don't know. That's what I feel like.
No, I completely agree. I understand inspiration can even come from, you know, walking into the street.
Yeah.
And for sure. Lekin when you actually go through the process of consuming knowledge, उधर की inspiration बहुत अलग होती है. It's not you're just walking by and thinking about something.
Yeah.
Being with yourself with a book is a whole another level.
Yeah, because you're cut off, right? You're out of it.
I also feel like people need to read books just for the fact that they will get to spend time with themselves and get rid of the anxiety that they have. And it's so, अब तो बहुत normal हो गया है, and everyone openly talks about it, that there's anxiety, there's depression, there's all these emotions coagulated within you, जिसको काफी लोग ignore नहीं कर पाते. For me, I ignored all these emotions, which is not in a way healthy.
No, but like you have a hold on it, I guess.
Yeah, I think I took over the control with reading books because I would be cut off with every single emotion and I would be in the emotion of the character. तो जब वो वाली situation आती थी ना, I would literally cut off every single emotion that I would be feeling for me and get into the character's emotion to feel how bad the situation can get. Like you can also compare eventually your situations and again some people might say कि वो unhealthy चीज़ है, ये नहीं करनी चाहिए, but for me it was really an exercise for my brain कि I feel the anxiety, I feel the panic within me because there are certain stuff that's going in my life, but what if I was in this?
Yeah.
For example, Thousand Splendid Suns में पढ़ रही थी और उसमें the character's name is Mariam and had a really tough life with 2 husbands and a really toxic husband, insanely toxic life. तो मैंने कहा अगर मेरी शादी इसकी उम्र में हो जाती और ये हो जाता और वो हो
If I had
जाता,
somebody like this in my life.
yeah,
Oh,
वो
God.
और कितना worse होता.
Yeah.
So of course people can get comparisons eventually from someone who's there in real life, but again they wouldn't be cut off from their emotions. With books you would be cut off from your emotions.
Would you like to write a book one day?
Yeah. I even have a story for it.
Yeah.
But it's so tough. Again, I'm also so overconsumed by so much content that's out there कि मेरी भी retention बढ़ गई है. So it takes great effort to write a book.
Did you even try? Did you try?
I did.
Okay.
I did start writing it. I have a really great mystery thriller ideas. My favorite genre is mystery and thriller.
I love mystery and thriller.
my favorite
I've been a
genre.
fan of mystery thriller since the Sherlock books from Conan.
Oh my god.
Yeah, मतलब school के time पे I'll tell you, I used to be in school and I used to go to the library and I used to open up. I still remember there was a book that I remember. ये एक memory है मेरी, being in the library while literally missing classes. Some were hiding in the corner reading this story. It was a short story from Conan Arthur Doyle. It was a story called The Man with the Twisted Lip.
Oh.
It was and I was like, yo, this is amazing.
So I started my thriller journey with Agatha Christie.
I love Agatha Christie, of
So
course.
the whole Pulitzer story. What's the
Pulitzer?
No, it's the Piots.
आप comments में करके बता दें हमें कि हम क्या
It's so long ago. Wait, let me just quickly search up. But लेकिन Agatha Christie की जो किताबें थी ना, वो बचपन में मैं पढ़ती थी, and Enid Blyton,
yeah.
वो भी बिल्कुल बच्चों की stories होती थी. Let me just quickly search up.
She's
Agatha
actually searching
Christie.
on Google.
Because
She wants to
I
get
would
this
never promote something wrong.
Yeah, she needs to get this right, guys.
Piots. Can I get it right, please?
Okay.
The internet's kind of bad.
Sucks. Okay, कोई बात नहीं.
So
कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग बाद में बता देंगे.
Yeah, so eventually
नीचे में लगा दूं मैं एक strip लगा दूं.
please, for me. So eventually Agatha Christie really made me fall in love with thrillers बचपन में. But then I got out of the whole fiasco of reading because उस time पे TV इतना ज़्यादा होता था and I would consume brain rot content on TV. It was just pure brain rot, like तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा and like बुलबुले.
Oh, yeah.
That's brain rot.
Yeah.
तो वो जब आया ना, मैंने कहा ये like cartoons, I was over cartoons way long ago, but eventually जब brain rot मेरा content शुरू हुआ, even Disney, निकलोडियन, ये सब चीजें ऐसी होती थी कि मैंने कहा किताबें कौन पढ़े अब. मैं फुल वो कूल किड हो गई थी. मैं तो नहीं पढ़ती किताबें बिकॉज उस टाइम पे एक्चुअली कूल होता था किताबें ना पढ़ना स्कूल के अंदर कि हाँ तुम तो बड़े पढ़ाकू हो. But again in 2020 when I read The Silent Patient, also a thriller and mystery.
Oh, so that was like
I was like an instant like यही genre है जिसको मैं लिखूंगी. So I have a really cool story. मैं बता नहीं रही वरना
that's fine. No problem.
So, but eventually I really thought about writing it from ChatGPT.
not supposed to say this. You're not supposed to say this. It's on YouTube now.
It's okay.
It's okay.
मैं कर तो नहीं रही.
कर तो नहीं रही ना. और अगर आ गई तो खैर है.
आपको पता चल जाएगा.
आपको पता चल जाएगा.
हाइफन से पता चल जाएगा आपको.
सही
चैट
बात.
जीपीटी लैंग्वेज अब सबको समझ आती है.
सही है. सही है. No, but like, so when do you think there will be a time when we see a book from you? Like, do you think you'll eventually do it at some point?
I need,
or are you
like-
so focused on acting and these other things that you're not?
The thing is, I'm in so many places that I'm not focused on even one. तो मैं books पे तो focus ही नहीं कर सकती भी लिखने में.
सही बात है.
And it's something that you would need extreme focus for because मैं बैठी हूँ ना लिखने. तो मुझे समझ आ गया है कि ये इतना आसान नहीं.
Yeah, you need.
I
Like,
know there are some natural authors who really love to write and can do it like in a
month.
millisecond.
yeah.
लेकिन नहीं मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ.
Okay, that's fine.
So it'll take a while. I need like a 6-month break and a vacation.
Yeah, and no calls.
And no calls, like nothing.
Nothing.
Just me and nature.
Yeah, Bangkok पे आइलैंड पकड़े
और चले जाके.
और बस चले आके चिल एक हट के अंदर एक बंदी बैठी हुई है और लिखी जा रही.
Of what a job that would be.
वैसे वाकई यार.
Crazy
That's the
job.
life. Coconut water हो और बंदा पेन और पेपर से बस लिख रहा और waves चल रही हो.
Crazy. और वहाँ पे तो gluten free खाना भी.
Oh, मैं पहुंच गया हूँ.
I recently got diagnosed with celiac disease, which is a gluten allergy.
What?
Yeah. आपने कभी देसी इंसान को diagnose होते हुए देखे इस चीज से? And apparently there are a
You
lot.
recently got it done.
Yeah, like August में. But I
You're
was.
24 years old though.
Yeah. Okay.
Like you never knew this?
Yeah. So I've inherited this from my mom since I was a child. But I've been having gluten for 24 years of my life and 9 साल से मैं like extremely anemic हूँ. That I would get like Venoferki drips, Monoferki drips, iron drips. And I would just get them in a repeated cycle. And eventually those got so like jaldi like usually मैं 6 महीने में एक बार लगवा लेती थी. अब हो गया था कि महीने में
Regular हो
लगवाना.
गया के?
So that was really alarming. And I got a consultation done with my doctor, my hematologist, and she was like, you know, what if you have minor thalassemia or maybe celiac disease? A minor thalassemia तो मेरी
हालत ही बैंड ही बज गया. हाँ.
मेरी पी निकल गई उसमें. And
Yeah, because it's like scary, dude.
I was like,
yeah.
and she was like, this is something that's inherited. तो मैंने कहा अम्मा अब्बा किसी को भी थैलेसीमिया अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कोई सिचुएशन वैसी नहीं है. तो what celiac disease? Because हम देसी लोगों में कहाँ ही celiac disease.
सीलियाक मुझे लग रहा है कोई सीरियल टाइप्स.
मैं ये समझती Cerelac.
Cerelac.
So celiac disease is a gluten allergy. She was like, oh, it's highly common in desis as well. अभी diagnosis काफी लोगों का अब like ज़्यादा होना शुरू हो गया है.
Get myself diagnosed, dude. You never know.
Yeah, you never know. But if you're not anemic, the anemia is an extremely major symptom from celiac disease.
Oh, okay. But I don't know if I'm anemia. I don't know. Anemic. I don't-
Yeah, so either way, then I got my celiac disease tested and it came highly positive because I've been
Wow.
consuming gluten for the whole of my life.
All your life. Wow.
And eventually पेट का दर्द इतना कॉमन होता था मुझे लगता था ये नॉर्मल है. एंड अनीमिया भी मेरा बहुत लेट डायग्नोस हुआ है बिकॉज आई थॉट इट वाज जस्ट नॉर्मल टू हैव मतलब तारे दिख रहे हैं हाँ नॉर्मल है सबको दिखते होंगे. सो आई वुडंट इवन क्वेश्चन बिकॉज बचपन से मुझे तारे दिख रहे हैं.
Wow.
Because there was no diagnosis, there was no
That's
like comparisons.
nuts, dude.
So
That is
when
nuts.
the diagnosis happened, and it was like I'm dying. Like at this point, my hemoglobin is 4, and normal is like 11. So
Dude.
I got the drip done, and they were like, "बस अब gluten for life आप छोड़ दे." मैंने कहा, "What pizza, burger,
सब
sandwiches, nothing, रोटी नहीं,
कुछ भी नहीं.
nothing."
Oh God,
No
dude.
cookies.
I'm so sorry, dude.
No, it's actually fine. Like I've made my terms with it.
Okay.
It's actually good for me कि मैं ना ही
Okay.
खाऊं.
सही है. ठीक है. So आपके लिए gluten free meal पकड़नी पड़ेगी.
Yeah.
ज़्यादा है, कोई
Which
बात
is not like no great options there.
नहीं, but like नहीं है 2-3. I'll give you some names.
Yeah, Evergreen's there.
No, there are a few more. I'll give you a
Really?
name. There's this girl who makes amazing.
Yeah. I've ordered all of the stuff from
उसके
her.
brownies और उसके I don't know what she's called, but she's
It's
amazing.
get gluten free food, something like that.
Get gluten free. हाँ,
She's in
GGF.
she's in phase 8.
She's amazing.
Yeah,
Guys,
yeah.
if you haven't tried her out, she's from Karachi. I don't know how you'll get it from your cities, but she's amazing.
Yeah, and there's also there's a whole like.
I love how this chat has become just this chat off air type situation.
Do you know it's the ADHD in the both of us.
हम लोग ऐसे लोग मुझे भी है like लोगों ने मतलब लोगों की सिचुएशन बदल गई. पहले वो YouTube ये देख रहे होगा, बोलेगा हाँ अच्छा वाकई, वो अपने से बात कर रहे होंगे टीवी से. नहीं सही है. But no, let's move on. Let's talk about the business. Now, another thing that a lot of young artists or a lot of young stars don't do is, I mean, they would make investments, but they wouldn't take on the responsibility of starting a business.
Yeah.
Like, and that too in such a young age. मतलब यूजली लोग करते हैं पोस्ट 30, 35 कि यार आपने पैसा बहुत बना लिया, कहीं ना कहीं तो लगाना है, एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट, ब्रांड स्टार्ट कर लिया, क्लोथिंग ब्रांड स्टार्ट कर लिया, सलोन की शॉप खोल ली, व्हाटएवर. बट यू स्टार्टेड वेरी यंग, 2 businesses, not 1, 2.
Yeah.
One in the industry which is like the food industry,
Yeah.
and one in the cosmetic industry.
Yeah.
Dono like worlds apart, but extremely tough businesses. How did you come to starting your own business?
Okay, so my actual first like trading or like my actual business was my merch. So when again YouTube पे थोड़ा सा famous होने लगी, and I would watch these YouTubers from the West that they would sell merch. मैंने कहा ये तो बहुत fit idea है, monetize और कर सकती हूँ मैं, पैसा और बना सकती
I
हूँ.
love it. So you always had a business.
Yeah, very business centric, because I was always with very business centric friends.
Right.
So
you always had a businesswoman kind of scene.
So one of my friends, he suggested कि मैं तुम्हारी shirts बनाता हूँ, तो मैं तो website पे. I was like perfect. तो हमने random design बनाया, बेच दिया, 3 घंटे में बिक भी गए. मैंने कहा इतने सारे पैसे मिल गए इससे, wow, I can do this. So eventually that's how I started getting into it. But that was something seasonal. Merch तो मतलब winter की होगी या summer की होगी. But with the Noodle Woodle business, it's actually a really funny story. I've told it multiple times to people. I used to watch these Indian Maggie stall videos on Facebook. अगर आपने देखा हो Indian street food की videos.
Oh right, yeah.
So
okay.
they always have these like Maggie stalls. And I would always watch it at 3 a.m. in the night. तो मुझे ना इतनी craving होती थी.
रात के 3-4 बजे बैठ के फूड की वीडियोस देखने
और फिर पेट गुड़गुड़ कर रहा होता है.
Oh my god, dude, I don't know why I do this to myself every night. Every night.
Same.
I'll watch the most delicious food and then I'll be like कि कल मैं खाऊंगा और कल आता मैं भूल जाता हूँ.
Exactly. So I was watching that and I was like, मैं क्यों नहीं ये Food Panda पे order कर सकती? I don't want to make it right now. Like I'm in bed. I just want to order it from Food Panda. तो ये मैं रोज सोचती थी. And एक दिन ये thought ना मेरे ADHD में निकल गया दोस्त के पास. We were at like जो McDonald's वाला इधर ही तारिक रोड पे जो सिग्नल है, उधर सिग्नल पे, हाँ अल्लाह वाला चौरंगी वाले सिग्नल पे थी. मैं इतनी डिटेल बता रही हूँ लेकिन मैं बता रही हूँ. हम उस सिग्नल पे थे and I was like यार ये क्यों नहीं होते मैगी के फूड स्टॉल में, रात में भूख लगती है मुझे चाहिए. एंड माई फ्रेंड वाज लाइक ओ हम खोल लेते हैं. I was like हाँ हम खोल तो सकते हैं, चलो खोल लेते हैं. द नेक्स्ट डे वी वेंट टू अ फूड कार्ट लाइक मेकर. मुझे पता भी नहीं उसको क्या कहते हैं. उससे हमने डील डन की है. उसने कहा महीने में आपको फूड कार्ट मिल जाएगी. हमने कहा ठीक है. महीने बाद रमज़ान शुरू होने थे, हमने कहा रमज़ान में ही कर लेते हैं स्टार्ट. महीने बाद हमें वो फूड कार्ट मिली है, आ गई है. हमने डेट वेट अनाउंस कर दी और हम मैगी लाना ही भूल गए. Like imagine we're selling noodles and the inventory
यार बहुत आला dude. Don't go over this. That's the best part.
Yeah.
Cards are ready. Yeah. Love, yeah. You ready? Yeah. Noodle. Huh? Noodle भी बेचने.
So we ran, like we drove.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
We drove over the supermarket, got all
the
yeah. और वो शेफ खड़ा है सीके में किससे बना.
Oh my god,
we ran over to the supermarket,
dying,
got all the samyang and all the knorr and everything. हर चीज हमने डाली है बैग में. निकले हैं. अब हम आए हैं कि इतना तो नहीं बिकेगा ना, मतलब हम पहला दिन है, क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. अब मैंने स्टोरी डाल दी थी. वो 5 मिनट में सारे नूडल खत्म हो गए. हमने कहा अच्छा
दोबारा
अब बाय द वे अब क्या हुआ, हम एक दूसरा ही हमारा सुपरमार्केट का दूसरा हमारा ये ट्रिप है. हम वापस आए हैं, कांटे खत्म हो गए हैं बॉस. कांटे खत्म हो गए, भागो. फिर हम लेने गए कांटे वापस. अब हमें इन्वेंट्री होल्ड. सो आई हैड नो सेंस ऑफ इन्वेंट्री.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Zero से. Why are you crying?
It's so funny, dude, because I can just imagine in my head कि आए पूरा कार्ट तैयार है एंड जी नूडल नहीं है, कहते क्या बेचना था, नूडल ही तो बेचना था, नूडल नहीं। फिर वापस आए नूडल बिक गए, आए वापस चलो कांटे कहाँ से आएंगे, घरों से कांटे आए।
So this was like an everyday thing. We didn't
that's just
understand.
funny.
We didn't understand
I'm
inventory
so sorry.
at the time.
This just the story is
Yeah, I know. I love it.
It's
I
an
love the
amazing story.
reaction.
I
अब
love
क्या
the
होता है, इन्वेंट्री का कोई सेंस नहीं है, वेटर भी तो रखने होते हैं,
Are you serious right now?
वो नहीं रखे।
अरे बना लिए, अब देगा कौन, तू दे दे।
Do you know वेटर कौन है? मैं हूँ। अब वेटर मैंने 200 कॉल की, यार वेटर नहीं है, आ जाओ, बहुत रश है, बहुत
So you called your friends
All my friends came over.
to become waiters.
Everyone's a waiter now.
Wow.
And now I didn't know that there's like a thing called the POS system, जिसमें एक रिसीट मिलती है,
Yeah,
कस्टमर
yeah.
को जाती है,
Yeah,
किचन
yeah.
में जाती
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
So I was writing, like all of my friends were writing the orders on a notepad.
Right. Oh wow.
The classic way.
Right, right.
अब ना बैठने की जगह नहीं, because it's a cart, so people are just sitting in their cars. I don't know which car ordered what, क्योंकि कोई 40 orders अभी लगे हुए हैं.
Oh god.
अब किसी को स्पाइसी वाला जा रहा है, किसी को चीज़ी वाला जा रहा है. अब वो कह रही है तो हमने ऑर्डर ही नहीं किया, ये आपने हमें 4 क्यों दे दी, मैं तो एक ही हूँ, अब मैं कह रही हूँ आपने तो यही किया. अच्छा, फिर उसी वक्त ना प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग हो रही है. Shit, I could write like the car number with the
With
order.
the order, yeah.
फिर मैंने वो करना शुरू किया. Eventually like साथ हम लर्न करना शुरू हुए, और सामने ही ना एक होटल होता था, उधर मेरा दोस्त गया, उसने बोला यार अपने वेटर्स दे दो, बस हो गई हमारी, अपने वेटर्स दे दो. उन्होंने अपने वेटर्स दे दिया हमें to help, because पूरा ट्रैफिक जैम. It was, we opened our first like location in Badrabad, so it was jam packed, so many orders, couldn't understand, nothing was.
But that's good though. इससे ये
Yeah.
पता चल गया कि एक मार्केट है इस चीज की.
Also a really funny thing, so Azlan Shah,
Shout out to Aznan
yeah,
Shah. I love you.
he
bro.
helped me a lot because he had a cart.
Pizza. Yeah, he had a pizza business as well.
No, he had a cart. Pizza business पुराना है. It was called Groovy. तो it was right beside Noodle Voodoo. तो अब वो आते थे हमारे पास और कहते थे क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग. तो his partner actually told us कि POS system भी होता है. And I was like, POS? What is that? ये क्या है?
POS.
And he was like, जब तुम रेस्टोरेंट जाती हो तुम्हें स्लिप
Receipt
मिलती है
मिलती है,
ना.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा हाँ, तो तुम कस्टमर्स को नहीं दे रही. मैंने कहा नहीं, उनको तो देना है.
Yeah.
Confused as hell. No idea about
Wow.
it. This is all happening within like the 3 days, by the way.
Wow.
Okay, फिर eventually POS system आया. We got Food Panda on board, and now I can order Maggie
Noodle
at 3
Voodoo
a.m.
whenever I want.
Yeah, at home.
At home.
But
Amazing.
unfortunately, I can't have noodles now,
Oh, right.
which is
Gluten-free
ironic.
noodles का option please निकाले.
Rice noodles.
Rice noodles. But that's amazing. What a story, dude.
Yeah.
What
So
a way to
Noodle
start.
Noodle started like this, and then we eventually grew massively. We opened a location at Bukhari. Then we closed that down. Failed massively. वो location तो संभाली ही नहीं गई क्योंकि पता ही नहीं था. Cart का system best है. And then eventually last year मुझे ना बड़े messages आते थे कि आपने कौन सी लिपस्टिक शेड लगाई हुई है. मुझे होता था मैं क्यों प्रमोट करूं, मैं तो अपनी बनाऊंगी एक दिन, अब फिर प्रमोट करूंगी.
Right, okay.
So the most asked question to this date is आपने कौन सी लिपस्टिक लगाई हुई है.
That's the most asked question.
तो I was like okay, I can make a business out of it.
Okay.
तो मैंने फिर अपने दोस्त को बताया, with the same friend who I opened Noodle Boodle with, Ahmed Patel. I was like oh कोई manufacturer है तुम्हारे पास? He was like oh yeah, I have a friend who does that. He got me linked with him. I placed an order and eventually started Nyla Cosmetics.
Nyla
So we're
Cosmetics.
doing only lipsticks now
Okay.
and blushes.
Okay.
और उसका इधर उधर हम पॉपअप लगा देते हैं. It's online, going really well. It's also really fun because अभी इसको expand भी करना है मुझे. But again, makeup is something so like so many different face colors, faces.
What's the challenges one would face if they started
Oh,
a
so many
cosmetic?
challenges.
Like
So-
because that's such a unique, it's such a, like I can't imagine, like even because obviously I can't imagine because I don't put on lipstick, but you know, when I think about it, how does one start a cosmetic business and what kind of challenges does one face when they start?
Yeah, so starting a cosmetic business was really easy for me because I found a manufacturer quite easily.
Right.
मैं कॉन्टैक्ट में उसके साथ एक बार आ गई ना, तो मुझे सैम्पल्स पे सैम्पल्स उसने मुझे भेजे हैं, पैकेजिंग के सैम्पल्स भेजे हैं. आई एम समवन हु डजंट थिंक दैट मच.
Right.
for the packaging. I was like, packaging done ye. But when it came to the formula, it took me like a good 6 months
Really?
to like make it come to the point where I wanted it.
Acha, was it the color or the
No, the
consistency?
formula. So the formula is basically when you put it on, do you want it creamy? Do you want it matte? Do you want it in the middle? Do you want it to, last long?
Badi science hai,
So
yaar.
ये सारी चीज़, it's proper chemistry by the way. And to understand that, you need to put in the time. So
Okay.
it takes a while in makeup. I think the most the challenge I faced was the time, because I wanted to do it like this. लेकिन again मुझे compromise नहीं करना था. So to not compromise, it needs time.
Right.
So eventually I gave the time, and फिर जो challenges आए हैं with the color. So there's a color theory.
Okay.
Again, there's a whole color theory.
We're learning a lot about lipsticks today.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So
Okay.
if I put a red color on my lips, it will look different. If you put a red color on your lips,
It
it
will
will
look
look
different.
different because of the color theory. क्योंकि हम सबकी face
Skin
के
color,
जो
texture,
yeah,
different है.
जो color है ना वो उठता differently है.
हाँ.
कभी कभी purple would look different on someone else, purple would look different on someone lighter, because उठता differently है. That's just the color theory. So when the problem I faced eventually was I would market these, क्योंकि मेरी brown skin है. And when I put it on, it looks amazing on me. But when someone with a slightly darker tone would put it on, it would look lighter on them. मेरे ऊपर dark लग रही है, उसके ऊपर light लग रही है, तो वो आएगा ये brown skin girl friendly तो है ही नहीं, मेरी brown skin है लेकिन ये तो मेरे ऊपर अच्छी नहीं लग रही. अब मैं क्या करूँ? कि like oh shit. So sorry, I just cursed.
No, that's fine. Go for it. Go for it. That's fine.
So I was like, oh, I would need to put out shades and shades and shades to figure out कि सब match करें. So I put out some shades for lighter skin tones, some shades for darker skin tones, some in the middle, and then eventually my blushes came out. Blushes are the best, honestly. They're my favorite. So and I'm thinking of launching a hair oil जो 1 साल से हम काम कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर.
अच्छा,
Yeah,
okay.
my mom's recipe. It's amazing.
Yeah.
She has great hair. I just never put it on. मेरे तेल लगाने से मुझे नफरत
You've got
है.
great hair, so you don't.
I don't
yeah.
actually. They're,
Really?
but they're in the process. So I'm currently trying them out as well. और
Okay.
अगर मेरे बालों पे काम कर गए ना वो,
Bus.
तो बस miracle है वो product ही miracle है. But yeah, so right now the business is going great because of the repeat customers. Honestly, I have such strong customers that they मतलब मुझे ये जब वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर आते हैं ना मुझे पता होता है वो इससे पहले ली हुई है. Because also it's a really small business.
Yeah. So you.
घर से करते हैं हम
Yeah.
लोग.
Yeah.
So I know all the names कि किन के orders आए because
Amazing.
we're packing it as well.
That's what keeps a business alive, dude. Like those loyal customers. Even during COVID, a lot of businesses were kept alive because of loyal customers. You know, people that kept
100%.
coming back and again and again. Like, मुझे बताएं, like, so how do you balance this with being a star? Because
I don't.
like because being a businesswoman
Yeah.
is so hard, and now being a person in this industry is so hard. So how does there must be a way
I struggle a lot. I struggle a lot with time because acting takes 12 hours of my day, more or less. Like mostly less. Like लग ही जाते हैं और आगे 14 घंटे भी लग ही जाते हैं. तो when I'm shooting for a project, I can't give time to the business. Then it's all over my brother. तुम ही करोगे. So eventually we have a setting इतनी अच्छी as a family that if I'm busy, he's gonna do it for me. If he's busy, I'm gonna do it for him. So it's more or less
right,
like
so there's
yeah, the help.
right.
तो एक वो चीज़ है. But yeah, again with अब right now we're also doing the Imran Khan show.
Yeah.
So वो भी बड़ी एक crazy चीज़ है. वो मेरा time.
Matlab already.
Yeah.
I love how you know that you're already piled up with a few things. You said, "Oh, let me pile this on top of
Yeah, like, literally है ना. अब मैं क्या करूँ? Because we're also really good friends. हम सब साथ मिलके कर रहे हैं ना.
so
So
right.
eventually I was like, by the way, Imran Khan का concert हो रहा है guys, 31st January. Shameless plug.
Shameless plug. Go for it.
So that stuff is also on top of it. कि I will struggle.
Yeah.
मैं किसी को बोलूँ कि हाँ मैं easily करी हूँ. No.
No.
It's not easy.
मुझे एक बात है, like, so we're sort of now coming towards the end. I mean, you've already in the last decade. I mean, you've been doing this since you were a teen. I mean, and you're, mashallah, still young and doing so much. You're a businesswoman. You're a book reviewer. You're a YouTuber. You're a content creator. You're doing so much, and it's only going to get busier, inshallah. And then on top of that, you're doing events now. I mean, but where do you see yourself in terms of professionally in the future? I mean, personally, though, obviously you can go anywhere, but professionally, there has to be a point where you feel like, yeah, I want to focus on this thing particularly,
Yeah, I think I'm someone who's always gone with the flow.
Right.
जो आ रहे कर लेते हैं.
Right.
But currently, I think eventually I would take the decision. Abhi, I'm still in the mood for go with the flow. So I personally don't see myself somewhere जहाँ पे मैं बस एक ही जगह पे हूँ. I'm always someone who loves to multitask. I'm again the ADHD probably. कि हर जगह घुस जाओ.
हर जगह घुस जाओ.
And
ऐसे ही.
honestly, in this age, I have the energy.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
why not?
Right.
सभी करो.
सभी करो.
तो बाद में जाके मुझे पता चल जाएगा. If I fail, I don't mind failing. I actually love the fact that I failed a couple of times because that
failure taught you.
Yeah, so much. कि आइंदा फिर मैंने वो गलतियाँ नहीं की and that made me more successful.
That's a very good attitude, dude.
Yeah, है ना?
हाँ.
तो अगर मैं एक ही
And very good stories.
Noodles भूल गए.
Oh my God, that's the funniest thing I've heard like all week. I love it.
So eventually, if I choose one path for me, I think that would probably happen in my 40s. जब मैं माँ बाप बन जाऊंगी.
That's when you'll decide.
हाँ, तब मैं होंगी कि बस अब एनर्जी नहीं देनी.
अब एनर्जी नहीं देनी.
अभी जितनी एनर्जी है हर जगह लगा दूंगी मैं. तो I'm actually okay with the fact कि I'm everywhere.
2026, Momina Munir, how do you see this year going for you?
I think it's gonna be great. There's a lot of good projects coming out. There's also a YouTube comeback coming out.
Let's go! All right,
So
finally.
I've planned a whole series of things.
Oh, that's amazing, dude.
Because again, I don't want to vlog now, so I thought about कि यार YouTube's my base.
Yeah,
YouTube's the thing where it all started.
Yeah,
I can't just leave it.
Yeah.
तो YouTube में काफी चीजें आने वाली हैं. I'm planning a couple of things. Inshallah वो हो जाए.
And it'll be the anniversary this year for you
10
to come
years.
back. That's a good date. That's a good month.
So touch on wood, it all goes well.
Inshallah. That's
But
cool.
yeah, I think 2026 is the time where I might find the lane I want to go in.
Okay.
But with all the energy I have.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, so last thing we do before we let our guests go is when they look into the camera and give a piece of advice, any wisdom in life that you've learned or you want to depart to your fans, to people watching, young people, anybody that's watching YouTube right now. What would you like to say? Or anybody listening to you
Oh my
on
God,
radio?
you're putting me on spot.
No, but just like anything you would like to say that you're currently thinking, or like एक कोई motivational चीज जो आपको चला रही हो इस वक्त, जो कि आप दूसरों को depart करना चाहती हो on radio or on YouTube.
Okay. I would actually say, just be yourself, guys. Like,
Accent की जरूरत नहीं थी. You could have gotten away with it.
नहीं, मैं मजाक उड़ाने के लिए बोल रही थी. I don't know what to say.
Like, what's keeping you going?
I think what's keeping me going is just me. Like in actuality, I'm still not looking at the camera, by the way.
No, that's fine. You can talk to me. It's fine. You don't have to talk to the camera. But
no,
like,
पता है अगर मुझे ये आप पहले बताते ना मैं बहुत फिट चीज कोई लेके आती.
नहीं, but like फिर भी, like what motivation? What's the motivation that keeps you going that you feel like others can also adopt?
I would take some time over it. पता है मुझे क्योंकि मैं blank हो गई.
इनके Instagram पे देख लें आप जाके ये story लगा दूँगी.
बिल्कुल blank हो गई.
That's fine. But चलो, okay. Is there I'll change the question. What's the best advice you've been ever given?
Oh, to always stay humble, even though you might not want to. Lekin when you stay humble, that's where you get the respect from other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very good advice. That's very good
Stay
advice.
humble.
Stay humble. Just be chill.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है. That's a good advice.
है ना?
हाँ, easy scene है ये तो. अच्छा है. Even if others don't get it.
Yeah, and Irfan Junejo, I would like to quote him. He said this one really great line. Sir नीचे काम ऊपर.
बहुत आला.
Let's end it here.
बहुत आला.
Mic drop.
बहुत आला. Momina Munir, what a pleasure. thank you for being on the show, dude.
Of
It was an absolute
course.
pleasure. I had such a great time talking to you. I feel like we bonded. I feel like I kind of get you, man. Like, you know
You
what I mean?
do?
Like, and I love how we're very similar in many ways also.
Yeah.
And the noodle story is amazing. You guys, honestly, if you missed it, if you're watching the end of this, go back to that part. You'll die. Just like I did. It's amazing. Thank you so much for being on the show, dude.
Guys, please subscribe.
Please. Aye! Thank you.
That's for the YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. बहुत आला. I'll see you guys next time. अपना ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद.